We're all living so fast, trying to push ourselves, push agendas, push projects, push clients. It's always about the future. I think there's just something really fundamental about balance and taking time for self and just slowing down.
Being out here in nature just reminds you of the power of nature, the fragility of our planet, and this whole idea of care, but also the need to care for yourself.
I've had the most incredible 4 days away here in Morzine with my team. It's been a great time for bonding and for feeling really connected with everyone.
It's been an incredible experience, both personally but also as a team, having the time to slow down, really kind of paying attention, going from sort of thinking about things to really feeling things.
Making that investment to get out here and do those activities has been brilliant. The opportunity to walk and talk together, to learn things about yourself and things about other people that we would never have done in an office, we would never have done just going for a coffee or having dinner.
An incredible way for us to connect and to think about where we've been and where we're going, but we've felt very kind of free to think big, but there's also been something quite kind of practical about it at the same time.
The accommodation's just been absolutely lovely. The chalet is just incredibly clean. It's wonderfully designed and an amazing view at the chalet as well.
And it's just been a wonderful experience. It felt really, really homely.
The other part of that is the hosting, and the Cats team have been absolutely amazing, and the energy that they bring to it, and it's just really positive, really human people.
The food has been outstanding, just the variety of food, but also the quality of it, the seasonal nature of it.
The fact that it's all locally produced, every ingredient has a story.
I think just feeling really full up and re-energised and focused, and it's this idea of going slow, being really thoughtful about what you're doing, why you're doing it and who you're doing it for.
So for me, taking the pause will be a super important aspect that will come with me for a very long time.
The power that comes from caring for others, and we've really experienced that, I think, together, spending quality time together, and I just know we're going to get that back in spades from ourselves and from the team. If you combine those two things, care for yourself, care for others, the future is going to take care of itself.